Savory pumpkin pizza, let's go. Also vegan. So I like to use this frozen dough to make it super easy. You can make your own, whatever. So it comes like from the Walmart. I'm pretty sure it's vegan. Like if you look at the back of the package, right, it says 0 cholesterol. It just says it contains wheat. I don't see like eggs or milk or like lard or anything in there. But anyway, so you get at the Walmart, it's like 5 for $5. So you get 5 loaves, $5. I'm only going to use 2. It's such a good deal. I can't say enough about it, but okay, so it's vegan. All right, so it has a thing. It's vegan. I'm an idiot. So we're gonna take out 2 of those, and we're gonna put them on greased like cookie sheets pie pans, and then I'm gonna take this parchment. I'm gonna put a little Pam on it too, and put that over top. And then I'm gonna put some dish towels on top. Oh, they're still frozen, by the way. I put some dish towels on top to give a little weight to it, and then we're just gonna let that hang out overnight and rise and thaw and rise till we're ready to make it like, you know, in the afternoon for lunch or dinner. So look at these big floppers. I love it so much. I'm just going to kind of push it down and just start spreading it out just until we get it to the size of the pan. You can also use like a cookie sheet. It spreads enough to the cookie sheet too. You just have to be patient. This is just going to be a thicker, smaller circular one. So spread those out, and then we're going to let those hang out and rise up a little bit more while we make our sauce. So put the parchment back on top. White onion, a little oil. I know I'm using a whisk, but, like, hear me out. There's going to be a reason. And then we're going to let that kind of caramelize, but, like, I don't have patience to do a whole 45 minutes. You do you. We'll add a can of pumpkin, 15-ounce can, just the pumpkin puree, not like the pumpkin pie bonanza, just the puree. Then we're going to add a splash of some oat milk. You know the drill.
Show me where to go, for me to stick a back, no doubt that I dig. She laid me to rest with the white slip skirt, flirting with an angel that was caught in the surf. The birth of my heart started with the touch and the surf. I dive at first on my earth, submersed in the love divers. Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey.
I seriously can't talk enough good stuff about Ellie's Best Nut Milk Bag. Like, I use it to make cold brew. I use it to make, like, juices, because then you don't have to buy a juicer. You just use your blender, and you squeeze it through the thing. I use it for jackfruit, artichokes. Like, I use it for I use it so much. 10% off using code Midnight Munchies. Link below. Anyways, we're going to add a little sugar, a little salt and pepper, a little thyme, just like a little, like half a teaspoon of each, basically. Start mixing it together. We can add a little bit more of that non-dairy milk if you need to, thin it out, if you want to thin it out. And then we have some leftover parm from the tomato pie dip recipe we made, so we'll do about a half a cup of that, and then we'll do about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, and then go ahead and mix that in as well. We have it on like a low heat, a low medium heat, you know what I mean? Not quite medium. And then we're going to add diced shallots after we take it off of the heat, a little extra texture. We'll start spreading that around onto our dough, add a little spinach on top, and then again we have some leftover vegan mozz from that tomato pie dip recipe. You guys should watch that, so good. Sprinkle that around. 450-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 15 minutes until it's done. You guys, it is such an interesting flavor. It's so warm and fall, and like, oh, it's hot though. I was impatient. It is 10 out of 10 for me. Subscribe. Oh, and full written recipe, midnightmunchiesandmore.com.
Oh, goodnight kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love, listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up.